Hello everyone! As you may know, last week I was on vacation with my family in Hawaii. We had a beautiful time on the beach, visiting coffee plantations, lava tubes, and gazing at the stars of Mauna Kea. And while I should have been lounging on the beach, the trader and me could not pull myself away from the markets on non-farm payrolls week. And a good thing because I banked 101 pips trading 3 days from Hawaii. Let's take a look at how that was done. Here's a look at our BK Forex trading channel. Starting with Sunday, June 27th, we kicked off the night with 3 trades released at the Asia Open. 8:34 to be precise, New York time. That was the Kiwi Swiss trade, the Kiwi dollar trade, and the Aussie Kiwi trade. With these trades, I posted 3 charts, and these white candles are zip buy signals in Kiwi dollar. Kiwi Swiss, we also had a very clean zip buy signal. And then in Aussie Kiwi, we had what I love to see, a double zip sell signal. I provided reasons on why we took the trade. At the time, it seemed as if Kiwi, this is clearly a pro-Kiwi trade. Kiwi was performing well across the board as the outlook for the New Zealand dollar was bright. We also saw a drop in treasury yields, which made selling Kiwi dollar an interesting trade and supported the zip signals that we had on a technical basis. I also added on a Euro-Yen short trade, provided the reasons for that, such as the ECB avoided talking taper, drop in treasury yields, and a few technical reasons. Now, as the night progressed, I did close out the Kiwi dollar trade and replaced it with a Euro dollar trade because we did have a complete reversal of the previous scenario where we had zip buy signals and turned into a zip sell signal. And as you all may know, ECB is far more dovish than many other central banks, and everyone was looking to a stronger non-farm payrolls report. So the fundamentals were very much in sync with technicals. So then I went about my day, went to the beach, went to sightseeing with my kids, and later on when I returned to the desk the next day, our Euro-Yen target was hit, the Euro-Dollar target was hit. The Aussie Kiwi was closed at 107.46, which means that we closed it for a small loss, and then we also closed the Kiwi Swiss trade. And then on Monday night, we started the day with 3 separate trading ideas. Aussie Swiss selling at 69.52, Euro dollar selling at 119.14, and another short Aussie Yen trade at 83.47. Actually, it was 4 trade ideas, an additional 131.65 short Euro Yen trade. These were the charts. We previously had a zip sell signal. It still looked very bearish to me, so I thought that it would continue lower. Aussie Swiss also looked very bearish to me. Looked like it was going to continue lower in the sell zone. Same story with Aussie Yen and Euro Yen. I added a CAD Yen trade and replaced that with the closed the Aussie Swiss trade before providing reasons, all of the reasons for why we decided to take these trades. And then once again, I went about my day, went out with my children, had a really nice time, and we saw Eurodollar, Aussie Yen, CAD Yen all hit the profit targets. Tuesday night came back with more trades, slowed down a bit because we already had racked up some profits on the books. So we went long. I went long dollar Swiss at 92.10. Went short Aussie CAD. We're still very much in the zip sell zone at 93.14, and that was because we have Fed taper talk, provided the fundamental reasons for these trades, and the next day, dollar Swiss and Aussie CAD both hit our profit targets. So in the Kathy Trade Signals channel, by Wednesday, 3 trading days, we had already made 102 pips. And I said since we hit our 100 pip target, I wanted to call it a week. It was NFP week, so we don't trade Thursday night. And I said, we should be careful with our profits, and just called it a week. In our Smooth 40 channel that week, we also had 2 really nice trades, a Euro-Yen Smooth 40 trade where there's just one trade and there's no real adjustments. Hit Euro-Yen profit target of 40 pips. And also, Aussie, that was Sunday night. And then Monday night, I put on a Aussie yen trade, which we held for the next day, and that hit the profit target as well. The difference between the Smooth 40 and the trades and the trade signals is that the Smooth 40 obviously have a more generous profit target, and they tend to be slower, fewer, more selective. So what made this week so easy? Well, first, I was relaxed and on vacation. We traded only the Asia session and for the most part waited patiently for our targets to be hit. I was extremely selective, picking only trades with fundamental and technical support. And when we hit our 100 pip a week target, I stopped trading. And that's what made this such an easy and profitable trading week. For more on what I do, please visit bkforex.com.